Hello everybody, it is day 31 of studying Martin every day. Today I'm about to do two sessions as usual, and I'm gonna start it from where I left it off, like where I left off yesterday. Yesterday there was something that was bothering me a lot, something that was mind boggling to be honest. The electricity was just getting weaker and weaker, and I couldn't even study, and my PC was restarting like maybe again and again. It started already 3 times during my sessions. So I hope everything will be all right today, and I hope I won't have any issues. So I hope everything will be all right. All right. Okay, so let's start studying. So I will be continue watching this lesson. So let's guys solve this problem. So where is the import? You're gonna click right there. Okay. Now, okay. Let me do the table. Like I was doing in the mid. I was like in the middle of this. Oops. Whole thing would be gone. Another one right here. Another one right here. Okay, I didn't start my fun timer. Didn't even start the timer. My bad, my bad. Oh yeah. So this was the past, no present, I mean. And then this should be past because like there's no future in this case. So it was K, which is Kim. Now let's do Kim. And what? Let's call him Tommy, as I said. Tommy. I'm gonna call this guy. This is number like, yeah, I'm gonna call Tommy. Because I don't know how to pronounce it. It doesn't make sense. Sugar should be the equation. Shit. So, by the way, present Kim is 6 more. Kim is 6 more than twice Tommy's age. So basically, we don't know this. Kim is 6 years more than twice Tommy's age. But let's call him K. We don't know. And we don't know T. And we're gonna say K, which is Kim, equals to 6 years more than twice. 6 plus twice, which is T, 2 Tommy's age. Okay, 6 years more than twice Tommy's age. That's it. And 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Timo, as Tommy. Okay, so 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. Okay, so by the way, let's do this. Okay, okay. 2 years ago, Kim was. Let's just do 2 years ago. 2 minus K. How old he was like Kim 2 years ago, and then this one should be also the same. Okay, so Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. So how old was Kim? So let's use this. So Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. Kim was 3 times. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. So 2 years ago, 2 years ago, so Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. 3 times T as old as T Tommy minus T. Okay. So let's. I think I need to move this to the side. That's where it will be, I believe. For this to. To get rid of Timo. We don't need that. Oh my gosh, a little bit complicated. My brain's in a loop. I'm just like thinking, I don't even know what to do. Word problems are my weaknesses. I know it. Okay. 2 minus 3t. 2 minus t. 2 minus 3t. Okay, I think there is something wrong with the equation. I don't know. Well, like Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. I don't know if I need to say this again. I don't know, to be honest. I cannot, like, I need something to say, I believe. I don't know. So okay, okay, the percent
Then
was twice 2 times t should be like that.
2 years ago.
So what about this one? Okay, so okay, 3 times t2. I'm gonna listen to him.
Kim, her age is going to be k minus 2. And Timothy's age 2 years ago is t minus 2. Now, what is the equation that we should write for the present? At the present, it says that Kim is 6 years more than twice Timothy's age. So k is going to be 6 more, 6 plus, than twice Timothy's age, so 2 times t. Now what about the past? 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Timothy. So 2 years ago, Kim's age is k minus 2. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Timothy. So 2 years ago, Kim's age is k minus 2. And she was 3 times as old as Timothy, which 2 years ago, Timothy was t minus 2.
Yeah, reasonable. Mhm. So 2 years ago is just k minus 2. So 2 years ago equals to what? Okay, equals to Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. Okay, Kim was 3 times as old as 3 times as old as Kim 2 years ago. I'm about to zoom, and I don't know how I can do it, but like I want to zoom in, zoom in. I don't know how, but I want to zoom the whole screen. Yeah, I think this is good. So let's continue. So it is 2 minus t minus t. Okay, so k, which is 6 plus 2. So I'm gonna plug this k in, okay? Plus equals to 3 2 minus t. So it is 6 okay, it is 6 plus 2t equals to 6 minus 3t. So it is 6 plus and plus, which is like plus 5t. I think I was kind of close. I think yesterday I did something like this. I don't remember well, but like, yeah. So this and this will cancel, which is so silly. What the heck? Because like this one should go the other side and it will take a minus sign. So what? Okay, minus 6 on the side. Okay, minus 6. To be honest, it will be 0. So 5t equals to 0. What? What? 5 and equals to 0. Dude, whatever. Yeah. Is there something that I did wrong? Velocity minus 3. It will be plus when I'm moving to the other side. So it will be just 2t. What? How? There's no way that t equals 0, to be honest. What? Okay. This is like, then what? Is this right first? I don't know. I'm just like confused, man. Okay, so we're up. It's k minus 2, 2t. Ah, okay, yes, that is something that I literally forgot. And since I'm gonna lasso, we do it. This k minus 2. This is why you have to write the equation first and then evaluate. So k, this is 6 plus 2t minus 2 equals to 3, 2 minus t, and then 6 plus 2t minus 2, which is 6 minus 3t, and then it will be 4 plus 2t equals to 6 minus 3t. Move it to the other side. Maybe it will be 4 plus t. What? Okay. And then now this should go to the other side, which is 5, and this should go to the other side. So plus t equals to 6. So minus 4 and minus 4 is 5t equals to positive 2 divided by 5 on both sides. So t equals to 2, 5. So it's 2, 5, but what age is 2, 5? Okay. What? Isn't it times 2? Okay. It's right.
Is 10
Okay, it's 10. I also forgot something. I didn't play any. I'm not playing any music. So t equals to 10. So in this case, it was 8. Okay. So now, okay, how old was Kim 2 years ago? So let's do k equals to 6 plus 2. Okay, this is enough, I believe. So equals to 6 plus 2, 10 equals to 6 plus 20, 26. Okay. So let's use this equation again. So yeah. Okay, so let's put it in words maybe. I know. I know where that I can write something. Then this one. How old was Kim 2 years ago? So the k is 26. 26 minus 2, which was 24. So yeah, I cannot do any space. Nope. Okay. Near text. Right up. So like I don't have somewhere that I can write like some normal text. Why I cannot use any spaces then? So Kim was 24 years old 2 years ago. I'm still looking for somewhere that I can write. No, thank you so much. The hand, lift the hand. So by the way, guys, I'm gonna. So there is a grid showing. It is one thing. Oh my gosh, I made a mistake, dude. What the heck did I close? It's just the same. I don't know how to deal with it, to be honest. This is eating me time. This is literally eating my time, dude. This like tools are. Okay. Came back to the same thing. Do not. Oh. Do not touch it again. Okay, do not touch it again. Okay. It's fine now.
So that's his present age. And we. How old was.
Okay, so past. They did it in a good way, to be honest. But like I said, okay, 2 years ago. Yeah, fine.
Kim 2 years ago?
So it's maybe try this one. I hope I will do this in a such a nice way. Nice way. Nice way. Image from here. It shouldn't be like this. But the point is, I think I need this one. So yeah. Okay. So let's do the exact same table that we did before. So oh, this is percent, which is B. So is less than 3 times how old will. Okay, and this is the future. So we got who? Rachel, I don't know the name, to be honest. But yeah, Rachel. And also, okay. And L is Lee. So let me read the problem again. So Lee is 2 less than 3 times Rachel's age. So 3 years from now, Lee will be 7 more than twice Rachel's age. How old will Rachel be 3 years from now? So Lee is 2 less than 3 times Rachel's age. So Lee is 2 less than okay, so L, which is Lee, will be two less than 3 times Rachel's age. 3 times Rachel's age, and it is less than 2. So I'm gonna write it that way. So 3 years from now, so this is just R plus 3, and L, which is the same too. Let's say R present, like their current age, or maybe, okay, and then this one is just like the same, L plus 3. So at this point, so now Lee will be 7 more than twice Rachel's age. So let me read this again. Lee will be 7 more than, like 7 plus twice Rachel's age. So let's do L plus 3 equals to 7 more, more than twice to Rachel's age. So in this case, what we need to do is this: L, which is 3, R. Okay, I don't know if I will even do mistakes, so I'm gonna first write the equation. So L plus 3 equals to 7 more than Rachel's age, 7 more than twice Rachel's age, Rachel, okay? So 7 plus 2R, so plus 3 equals to 7 plus 2 Rachel's age. Oh. Okay. So this is 3R. So this is 3R. Okay. Plus 3. Okay. The mistake. I just saw it way too early, I believe. So L equals to L alone equals to 3R minus 3R minus 2 plus 3. Okay. So 3R, okay, plus 1. Seven plus 2, which is 9. Nope, sorry. It's just 7. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2R. So should go the other side. It's just R. This one should go the other side too. Equals to 6. So R equals to 6 now. So V is 2 less than 3 times Rachel's age. So let's plug that in. L equals to 3 R minus 2. L equals to 3 X minus 2. L equals to 3 times 6, which is 12 minus 2 equals to 10. By the way, okay. So yes, fine. So so she was 10 and Rachel was 6. So how old will Rachel be 3 years from now? Let's plug that in, Rachel. So it is just what it is. He will be 9 years old. And Lee will also be 13 years old. Let's see if this equation is right or wrong. We're gonna say L plus 3 equals to 7 plus 2 R. L equals to 10 plus 3, which is 13 already. Okay, so 7 plus 6 times 2 times 6. Okay. 7. 2 and okay, there is something wrong. I don't know. 12. Okay. 12. 12. Which is 19 years old, I believe. 10. This is 13. Okay, equals to 7 plus 12 is 19. So where up? So Lee will be more 7 more than twice Reggie's age. How old will Rachel be 3 years from now? Rachel will be like 9 years old, and this one, okay, it's 9 years. Okay, no, is 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 this difference 7? That's what I'm looking for. Nope, it's not 7. Yo, by the way, I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but yeah, let's see. Looks like I'm kinda, but I made a mistake right there, to be honest. Let's see. Okay, Rachel will be 12, so I made something wrong. So I need this right here. R equals to R plus 3, right? So we are talking about the future. Now I can just go back. And I can solve it, I believe. I don't know. I can just erase it. Stop rushing, dude, okay? So L equals to what? 15 times 2, 30, 37. Okay, I was scared. So yeah, okay. So let's say this. How old will Rachel be 3 years from now? So he will be R12. So 15. So Rachel will be 15 years old. So I just missed that one. I just missed to evaluate the RR plus 3 because like this is something that's gonna happen in the future, right? That's all I forgot. So yeah, Rachel. So Rachel will be 15 years old. Okay, and I did only one mistake, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I just forgot. Like I did the equation right. To be honest, I did this equation right. All I did wrong was just like I put R only, but like it should be R plus 3, so it will be 3 years from now. Feel me? So yeah, I'm getting better. Maybe I'm getting better. Maybe I don't know. Like, but like I'm gonna do like more problems. Let's do our second session.
Let's try this one. So
So there's 3 people right now. Like 3 people, dude. Okay, it's Becca, Susan, and Greg. So, okay. So Becca is twice as old as Susan, and Greg is 9 years older than Susan. Am I gonna have like then 2 questions at the top saying like Becca equals to twice as old as Susan, and then saying like Greg equals to 9 years older than Susan? Do I need that? If you guys, if you got my point. I don't know, to be honest. Okay. Maybe I can experiment, but like it's gonna take some time. Maybe it's not good to do it. So I have to just like take a look at how we're gonna solve this one, and maybe I'm about to try another one. So there's 3 people.
Twice as old as Susan, and Greg is 9 years older than Susan. 3 years ago, Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age. How old is Greg now? So we have Susan, Becca, and Greg.
How is it gonna pronounce her name?
Becca
Aka?
and Greg.
Okay,
Becca.
is the subtitle gonna get right? Okay, the subtitle gonna get right if I like
Becca.
how he's pronouncing. Wow.
And Greg. We also have the present and the past to deal with. So let's say PR is for present and PA is for the past. And let's put the equations on this side. So Susan's present age, we're going to call it S. For Becca, B. And G for Greg. In the past, that is 3 years ago, Susan's age is S minus 3. Becca's age is B minus 3. And Greg's age is G minus 3. Now what equations do we have? In the present, Becca is twice as old as Susan, so B is equal to 2s. Now, also in the present, Greg is 9 years older than Susan, so we could say G is 9.
Yeah, I told you guys. I think I said the same thing. I think we need to have like 2 like missing variables at the top, like 2 separate equations, completely separate equations at the top. At the present, maybe. Yeah.
Plus s. 3 years ago, that is in the past, Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age.
What?
Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age. So B minus 3, that's Becca. She was 3 times Susan's age, so 3 times s minus 3, but less 9, so minus 9. So how can we solve this? We have 3 variables and 3 equations. But if we focus on she was 3 times Susan's age, so 3 times s minus 3, but less 9, so minus 9. So how can we solve this? We have 3 variables and 3 equations. But if we focus on these 2 equations, we only have 2 variables, which means that we can solve for s. So let's replace b with 2s. Therefore, 2s minus 3 is equal to 3 times s minus 3 minus 9. And let's write the other equation. G is 9 plus s. So we no longer need the table. So let's distribute the 3. 2s minus 3 is equal to 3s minus 9 minus another 9. Negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18. So 2s minus 3 is equal to 3s minus 18. Now let's add 3 to both sides. So 2s is equal to 3s minus 15. Minus 18. Now let's add 3 to both sides. So 2s is equal to 3s minus 15. Now let's subtract 3s from both sides. 2s minus 3s is negative s, which equals negative 15. So if we divide by negative 1, s is equal to 15. Now we know that Becca is twice Susan's age, so Becca is 2s. So 2 times 15 is 30. And Greg is 9 plus s. 15 plus 9 is 24. So in the present, Susan is 15, Becca is 30, and Greg is 24.
Dude,
Now,
I'm
in the past, 3
sleepy.
years ago,
What?
Susan is going to be 12 years old. Becca is 27, and Greg is 21. So now that we've listed the data on a table, now we can answer the question, how old is Greg now? So what is Greg's present age? At the present, Greg is 24. So this is the answer. Let's try. Try another problem where we have 3 variables.
Okay, this is the same, exact same one. We got 3 variables already. Oh.
as old as Susan, and Greg is 9 years
I'm
older
just
than
like
Susan.
gonna watch this
3
on the
years
time.
ago, Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age.
I
How
was
old is Greg?
literally, I was just like passive watching, maybe wasn't like focusing well. So let me watch it again, and let me
So we
focus.
have
Lock in.
Susan,
Okay, we got Greg, Becca,
Becca,
and Greg. Okay.
We also have the present
Present and also
and
past.
the past to deal with. So let's say PR is for present and PA is for the past. And let's put the equations on this side. So Susan's present age, we're going to call it S. For Becca, B. And G for Greg. In the past, that is 3 years ago, Susan's age is S minus 3, Becca's age is B minus 3, and Greg's age is G minus 3. Now what equations do we have? In the present, Becca is twice as old as Susan, so B is equal to 2S. Now, also in the present, Greg is 9 years older than Susan, so we could say G is 9 plus S. 3 years ago, that is in the past, Becca was 9 less than 3 times Susan's age. So B minus 3, that's Becca. She was 3 times Susan's age, so three times S minus 3, but less 9, so minus. It's 9. So how can we solve this? We have 3 variables and 3 equations. But if we
Okay. Maybe I can do the same. Okay, I go Lauren, Andrew, and Sam Ultimate. It will be 2 more than okay, forgot all of that. This is the present. Sam 5 years ago. Okay, so in this case let's just use L, Andrew, which is A, and Sam, which is S. So Lauren is 3 less than twice Andrew is like Laura, which is L equals to 3 less than twice Andrew is age. Twice, okay. Twice Andrew is age minus 3 less than, okay, 3. Okay, what else? 4 years from now, Sam will be 2 more than twice Andrew's age. Okay, so 4 years from now, Sam will be Okay. 2 years from now, Sam will be 2 more than twice Andrew's age. Okay, let me lock in. Okay, let me lock in. So this is just like 4 years from now, Sam will be 2 more than twice Andrew's age. 5 years ago, what? Sam was 3 times Andrew's age. How old was Lauren? What? What? Like what? Okay, 4 years from now, which is like, what? So that means where? So that means I got future and I got what? Like past and future? Dude, this is crazy. Like, am I going to say like PA and future? What? Where? Okay. 4 years from now, Sam will be 2 more than twice Andrew's age. No way. 5 years ago, Sam was blah blah blah. So let's do this. So let's do this 4 years from now. L plus 4A plus 4A plus 4. Okay. So then this will be Sam S will be 2 more than twice Andrew's age. S. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to variables. Let me come back to them. Okay, S, which is Sam, equals to 2 more than twice Andrew's age. 2 plus 2 more than twice Andrew's age. 2 Andrew's age. What? I'm not gonna forget it. Okay. I don't even need to change it. What I can do is this. Okay. Past. Okay, L plus 4, blah blah blah. Okay, so 5 years ago. So it is L minus 5. Okay, L minus 5 and A minus 5. A. I don't know if this is right though, like, but like I'm just like using my mind and brain just to, put the equation like in a way that I can solve it, to be honest. Okay, so Sam, which is the S still, was 3 times Andrew's age. So 5 years ago, Sam. So 5 years ago, Sam was 3 times Andrew's age. How old was what? How old was Lauren 5 years ago? So, dude, wait up. Okay, 5 years ago, Sam was 3. How old was Lauren 5 years ago? Okay, so yeah, I forgot about that. So it's just like all about this. Sam was 3. Okay. I got 2 A's, but like this one should be S. Nah, shouldn't be like this. Yo guys, the electricity just like went out again. It went out, but like it just like got weaker and my computer restarted again. And this is a major issue to me, to be honest. Something that I cannot even deal with. You know. And I lost the progress. I don't know if these guys are like doing some. They're not doing like autosave unless you automatically save it. So I got this because like I saved it, but the problem that I was working on, it didn't.
So
Was it this one? I just watched this one. Correct. Susan Black. This is the one that I was working on. And it's just like, you know. So I don't know what I need to do, basically. So hello everybody, it is DT. Okay, so let's see. I was doing a good progress, to be honest. Not that bad. So okay, so
Sam,
plus I was in 28 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes is fine. Just like gonna forget this one. Just like I'm not gonna start it. So I got 20 elements. So I can just like see this. So maybe no. So I get this from like I get this from the video recording, by the way, the one that I recorded. Okay. So Sam was 3 times Andrew's age. This is positive, okay. So S plus minus 5, I mean, equals to Sam was like 3 times A, 3 times A, so it's A minus 5, okay. I got the S right. So S minus 5 equals to 3A minus 5. S equals to 2 plus A negative 5 equals to 3 a negative 5. So now 2 plus 2a negative 5 equals to 3a negative 15. So negative 3 plus 2a equals to 3a 15. So it is just minus a. Should go the other side. This one should go the other side, which is positive, which is equals to minus 12. So minus 1. So Andrew's age is what? 12. Ah. Yeah. So let me get the L. It is 2L minus 3. What is 2? 24 minus 3 minus 2. 21. So S 2a 12 equals to 24 plus 2, which is 22 plus what up 24 plus 2 26. So yeah, let's use this one then now. S minus 5, which is 20. Let's write the equation first. I'm gonna use another color. So it is S minus 5 equals to 3 a negative 5. So S equals to 26 minus 5 equals to a, which is 2L a 3 咩那个他来呢 Okay, so this is 21. 12 minus 5 is 7. Which is, yeah, just the same, dude. This is 7 and 3, just 1. So now, let's go back to the quotient. Okay, wait up. So they are literally saving this like in my computer. Is that what it is? I think I'm gonna investigate that. So they should save all of this in somewhere. I think the browser cannot store that much of like MBs. So now, wait up. Oh, the question. That's how old was Lauren 5 years ago? L is 21 in general. So how old was 5 years ago? A. I'm in the Lauren, okay. 221. 221 minus 5, which is 16. Loud one was 16. Yeah, it's old. So okay, not that bad, man. So let me watch him solving the problem.
That corresponds to the path.
Okay, I didn't do that, but yeah, but like I did this, like I didn't do this. That's what I said. So I would be wrong for sure. How old was she? Wait, so S 38 L 29. I literally made a mistake, man. So L 33. What did I say? Past 24. Still 16. So I did it wrong. So this shouldn't be left. This should be blah blah blah. You know? You feel me? So yeah, it was a little bit tricky, man. They got me right there. You know? So wait up. So yeah, I'm gonna redo it, to be honest. It's the equation, basically. Oh. Dude, this is kind of like making me slow, to be honest. I'm using my mouse, right? This is making me way too slow. Like, I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie. This is making me way too slow. You feel me? So, okay, L equals to 2A. 3. So, where is the S? So this is S. S plus 4 equals to it's the exact same thing that he did. I don't know.
Is so is equal to minus 5, and we can of the table. Now, what should we do at this point? Now that we've completed the pass.
Wait, let me do this. S don't have the value of S, don't have the value of A and L. I got L black here. I don't have S. So let's just say S plus equals to 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2A plus 8 like 2 variables at the same time, A and it's weird, to be honest. Okay, so I got 2 variables, you know, you feel me? I got A and S. Oh, equals to 2 and 8 equals to 10. 10 plus 2A equals to 6 plus 2A. Okay. So I got the S. Mm-hmm. 5. s, which is 6 plus 2a is 5 equals to 3a negative 5. So this is plus 1, 2a plus 1 equals to 3a negative 5. Should go the other side, so this, and this should come to this side too. So 3a and 2a is just minus a equals to negative 4. Nope, negative plus 1 on the other side is just negative, so it's negative 6. So now, so negative 1 on each side. So a equals to 6. So under Android's h is 6. Let's plug in 12 minus 3, which is 9. Okay, what else? We have to find s. So s plus 4 equals to 2a plus 4 s, right? But a is what? Two elf. Wait, 10 to elf is 22. So that's positive 4. We should know that. What is 2? 10, 22 is 18. Oh. This was unnecessary fun, maybe, I don't know. So let's do L, S, and A. It is past, not past, but like, let me make it present. Present, past, future. Okay, so L 9 A6 S18. So L plus 4 plus 4, 9 plus 4, which is 13. Okay. A 18 plus is 22. A 6 plus 4, which is 10. So let's do minus now. Okay, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, 22, 18 minus 5 equals to 18 minus 5. It's equal to 13. And 10 minus 5, which is like, okay, 6 minus 5, which is 1. What? This is wrong. Completely wrong, I believe. There's something which is telling me that this is wrong. This long ass problem, dude. What the heck? Damn. This is long ass problem, and I did wrong. I didn't get it right.
4, 16, then it's 16.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
going to be honest, and Lauren or 11.
Yes.
Susan.
Just like the present A16, A I got 6. S is 38. 29.
Was
Okay.
38.
So I don't know what I did wrong, but like the problem alone is just long ass problem, man. Oh my gosh. So I'm just like gonna end the session right here. I'm about to maybe do it like off camera, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I just decided to end the session right here, and we did 2 sessions. They were amazing, to be honest. I don't complain anything. It's just like amazing and wonderful. So see you all